Again! It's always this guy! Good thing about going so fast, you can just do no hands. See, I get anxious talking to myself. I'm not like Sir Monster. I'm not like super socially social. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. You know, it's good to make a channel out of your hobbies, because like, you're gonna do them anyway. May as well record them and hopefully make money. But like, I don't know if we will. I don't think we're really, what's the word? Dedicated enough. You feel me? Like, I mean, I'm pretty dedicated. It's just like I'm not as dedicated as like Sir Monster would be, because he gets paid for a farm. He's doing it. Oh yeah. Ah, okay. You should get new pedals though. Yeah. They're the same as the ones on my track.
Yeah.
I almost died just now. Anyway. I hit every single jump slowly.
Yeah, we can do that. We can just ride around there.
Oh, mine.
Oh.
Go. Run!
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Bruh. It's always this guy. Oh, fuck. Where is he? Where is he? Is he on me still?
This is the safe zone. There's like a bunch of trees.